Welcome to the channel. Are you curious about how matcha is made? Watch the full video to discover what makes matcha powder so special. On modern plantations, tea bushes are carefully shaded to enhance their unique flavor. Skilled hands meticulously select only the finest, youngest tea buds. Precision begins as freshly harvested tea buds arrive ready for meticulous processing. Each crate of tea buds is carefully moved, preserving quality from field to factory. A seamless journey of freshness from harvest to the heart of the factory. Freshly harvested tea buds begin their journey ready for transformation. Precision engineering ensures a consistent flow into the steaming process. Inside, the leaves are gently steamed, halting oxidation to preserve their vibrant essence. Every detail is monitored to ensure the highest quality matcha. Through careful processing, the tea's natural goodness is perfectly preserved. Steaming preserves their vibrant color and essential nutrients. Skilled hands ensure every leaf meets our high standards. Cooling prepares them for the next crucial stage, drying. Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures consistent quality. Next, the air drying and deveining process begins. Our quality control expert meticulously samples steamed tea leaves, upholding the highest standards. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Visual assessment confirms the vibrant color and pristine condition of each leaf. Observations are precisely documented on a digital tablet, ensuring traceability and consistency. Inside the vast drying chambers, careful airflow transforms the leaves. Advanced machinery ensures consistent, optimal drying for every leaf. Skilled technicians fine-tune the drying process, ensuring perfect quality. The continuous controlled process guarantees superior quality tencha. From tender leaves precisely dried, tencha emerges ready for the next transformation. Precision machinery carefully separates and refines the pure tea leaves. High-speed air jets delicately remove lighter impurities. The meticulous process yields pure tencha flakes, the foundation of exceptional matcha. Skilled technicians maintain rigorous quality control at every stage. The pristine tencha is now ready for the next crucial step, stone grinding. Every adjustment ensures optimal quality, a testament to American craftsmanship. This meticulous refinement ensures only the purest leaf material proceeds to grinding. Precision processing ensures only the finest tencha flakes proceed to the next critical stage.
Keep an eye on the flow rate right here. Look steady.
Each vibrant green flake represents the pure essence of the tea leaf ready for transformation. From separate streams, the purified tencha moves toward its transformation into fine matcha powder. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Skilled experts meticulously inspect every batch, ensuring unparalleled quality. Only the purest leaf flakes proceed, guaranteeing a superior matcha experience. Precision grinding transforms vibrant green tea flakes into fine matcha, preserving its unique flavor. The slow, traditional method yields an ultra-fine, bright emerald green matcha powder. Hundreds of mills work in harmony, silently perfecting each grain of matcha powder. The meticulous stone grinding process ensures the highest grade matcha ready for packaging. Traditional granite mills slowly transform tencha into exquisite matcha powder. The slow grinding process is crucial, preventing heat buildup and preserving delicate flavors.
And young leaves are processed into vibrant green.
This meticulous process yields an ultra-fine high-grade matcha powder. Each mill grinds slowly for hours, yielding only a small amount of premium matcha. Skilled artisans meticulously oversee every stage, ensuring unparalleled purity. The continuous rotation slowly yields a cascade of bright emerald green powder. Every batch is meticulously checked to meet the highest quality standards. The heart of matcha lies in this slow, meticulous stone grinding, revealing its true essence. Slow grinding ensures pure high-grade matcha, preserving its delicate flavor profile. Every particle of this emerald powder is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This meticulous collection ensures the highest purity and quality of the final matcha. Each batch is a testament to the art of traditional matcha production. In the final quality laboratory, every detail of matcha production is meticulously verified. Laser technology precisely measures the fineness of the powder crucial for quality matcha. Next, the vibrant color, hallmark of quality matcha, is rigorously assessed. This visual inspection ensures every batch meets our stringent color vibrancy requirements. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control from fineness to vibrant color. This dedication to perfection guarantees the highest quality matcha reaches our customers. The journey concludes as the ultra-fine matcha powder is meticulously measured and sealed. Each tin is precisely sealed, preserving the matcha's exceptional freshness and flavor. Perfectly packaged tins move swiftly, ready for the final stage of their careful journey. Each perfectly packaged box of matcha is now ready to begin its global journey. Already filled with pure matcha tins proceed on a conveyor belt ready for the crucial nitrogen flush.
Freshly harvested, tender, deep green tea buds and young leaves with a subtle sheen. These are processed into vibrant green.
The filled matcha tins smoothly enter the automated nitrogen flush chamber, initiating the preservation process. A skilled worker meticulously adjusts machine settings, ensuring optimal nitrogen levels for perfect matcha preservation. The automated press descends expertly, sealing each tin, locking in the matcha's pristine flavor and aroma. Perfectly sealed, the finished matcha tins move gracefully along the conveyor, ready for their final journey. Precision robotics ensure every tin of matcha is perfectly labeled and ready. Skilled hands perform the crucial final quality checks. Teams work with precision, ensuring secure packaging for global distribution. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each box is sealed with care, protecting the precious cargo. Our dedication to quality extends to the very last stage.